Hey friends, if you encounter this statement, this app is preventing shutdown when you try to shut down your system, then please watch this video. Now I'll explain the whole situation. Whenever an app is open on your system and you try to shut down the system, then you will encounter this message and you will be prompted whether you wish to close those apps and proceed with the shutdown or not. In most probability, a lot of users know what they are doing. So if you want to bypass that option forever, you don't want that screen to appear at all, then please watch this video. So search for registry editor in the window search bar and open the registry editor window. Go to hkey underscore users dot default control panel desktop. In the right pane, create an entry named auto and tasks. Right click new devo 32-bit value auto and task. Double click on it and type 1 and hit enter. This means that all the tasks will be ended automatically. Okay, this is what it means, and when that happens, it means that when you try to shut down the computer, all of those tasks will not appear. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel, and if not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.